Stanley the Prince, twende kazi.
A Kenyan railway train was on Saturday involved in an accident as it headed to Kisumu railway station. This is after the front part of the train came off its rails. The accident occurred a few kilometers to the station. Passengers were forced to alight from the train after it was stopped. Motorists using the Kisumu-Kakamega road were forced to use alternative routes as the train completely blocked the road across. However, there were no casualties reported. Give your thoughts in the comment section and please make sure that you subscribe to get more updates.